Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to walk you through the process on how to free up space on your Windows drives. So I have some notes here, okay, the bottom of the screen, just for me to be able to see the various steps. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your recycle bin right here at the top here. Click right, and you can see here empty recycle bin. Okay, but if you want to actually see what's inside, I think you just have to click on the properties. No, not the properties. You can actually just double click there, and you see there's just one file there. Okay, I actually had it full. I had to clean it up, and so for the purpose of this video, I had to delete some things and put them on so that they go into the recycle bin. And so if you want to clean up your recycle bin, okay, just click on empty recycle bin right here. Yes. Okay. So the second method you want to do is to clear up the temporary files. You see that number 2, to clear up the temporal files on your computer. So on the search bar, you type %temp, hit enter. And so you're going to see quite a bunch of files here, folders as well. Actually, you could actually just delete all these folders and files because they are temporal. But of course, you could always check what kind of file is there, and then finally just delete them. So that's the second method, delete the temporary files. The third method is to do the disk cleanup. Okay, for that you have to go to click here and check your various disk drive. I have the C drive, I have the D drive, I have the F drive. Instead of this one, I have the F drive, I have the E drive, and let me just show you for the C drive. Okay, if you want to clean up the C drive, click right, properties. So right here we can see the total volume, like you have the used space, you have the free space, and then you have the disk cleanup. Okay, if I click here, right now you have just few files and folders have been selected. You could actually just select everything, and then you do cleanup. Okay, clean up system files, or just okay. Click the OK button, and all those files are going to be deleted. Okay, that's including even the temporary files. Okay, so I'm not going to do it. Actually, my computer is new, so I don't want to mess it up. And by the way, it's going to take a little bit of time for this to be cleaned up. So I'm just going to say cancel, and then cancel here. The third method of cleaning up your drives, right, is to go back to the search bar right here, the bottom, type storage. Okay, and you could just type storage and say enter, but actually it's the first option right here, storage settings. You click that one, and then right now we're looking at what is the content of the C drive. Okay, so that's the C drive. You have more than 800 gigabytes free. Okay, so it's really not much that's being used up. But then if you still want to go ahead, delete some files, you start first with the the heavy files, the apps and features. Okay, those ones are heavier. Okay, in chronological order, by virtue of their sizes. You have the order, location, and then you have the temporary files. Okay, that we already saw before. So to clean it up, you just click this one. Okay, and then so now we're trying to see if we can clean the apps and features. So what you could do here is now right here. So you can sort them by their size. Okay, that way you see which files and folders or which applications occupy, take more space, and then you could just delete the ones that you don't need. Okay, I'm not going to do any. I'm not going to delete here. I just want to show you. Okay. In the same way, you go to the other folder, click there, and you see it's also here by order of by virtue of their sizes. So the bigger ones, and then the smaller. Okay. So if you want to delete any file here, you have to be just careful, click in there, and then make sure that you're deleting what you actually don't need. Okay, because some of these files could be system files. So all this is manual, but my preferred method is the one I'm going to show you right now, which is it's much better. You have a full view of your computer, and that one requires you to download an application which is free. It's called Wiz3. Okay, there's actually two of them. There's Wiz3 and there is WinDirStat. I prefer the first one, Wiz3, because it's actually quicker, but they do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to make a demo for this one, and then you could actually just download this other one as well and try your luck and see how it works. But I'm going to do a demo for the Wiz3. So you go to your preferred browser. Mine is Windows H. Okay, Windows H for some reason is not loading. Let me try Brave. All right, Brave loads. So I'm going to go there and go to Google and just type Wiz3 download. All right, I come to this. I could just download here. Okay, just click on the download, and what you find here is actually Wiz3 is it has paid options, but we could actually go with the free version. Okay, because the free version gives us everything we need. Okay, we need the scanning, we need the network drive supported, you know, whatever you see here. But the free version used for personal use, you know, would do exactly what we need. Okay, so what we need to do is just to go here, download. Okay, download. If you click download here, I actually downloaded already. Okay, so I'm just going to show you with what I downloaded already. So I'm just going to go to my folder right here. All right, so I have it right here. Actually, I have the two. I have Wiz3 and WinDirStat. Both of them have been downloaded, but this is the one that I'm going to make a demo for. Okay, so, and each actually I downloaded and I actually installed. You can see right here it's already installed. So I'm just going to double click it to run it. Say yes, and so right now it's running, but I've not selected the drive that's going to be scanned. Okay, so I want to scan the C drive, but let's just see. Okay, now we have the opportunity to scan the D drive, the E drive, the F drive, any drive you want, we can scan it. Okay, so now I'm scanning the C drive. And so with this, you have a kind of a visual experience of whatever is on the C drive. Okay, you have visual experience with, you know, like if you want to know what is this, just click there. So basically look up there, you're going to see this is about this you know, from here you could actually just see the file. So the various colors just permit you to see exactly what are the folders that you want to delete or you want to check. Okay, the way I use this program, I just go here, because since they are in they are already like sorted by size. So the way I use it is I just go, let's say I want to delete something in Windows, click here, the plus button, then I find them here. I kind of find exactly what I'm looking for here. And if I don't want to delete it, okay, I'm not telling you to delete everything, but you have to be very careful here because some of those files could be program files. So if you're deleting something, you really have to be sure of what you're deleting. The only good thing about it is at least you have you have a view, you have a virtual view of everything that's on the C drive or whatever drive you're working on. So if you want to delete any folder, let me just say, give an example, like, I don't know, this one. Let's see. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, let's say I want to delete this. Okay, I can just click there. Okay, and then click right on that folder and then delete. Okay, and if I delete, it's gone. Okay, basically it's going to go to the recycle bin. And the good thing is, from the recycle bin, if I did the wrong thing, I could actually restore it back, okay, to its previous location. But then, at least you have a full view of the drive that you want to, free up the space. And once you're done with the C drive, you do exactly the same thing with the D drive, the E drive, the F drive, the H drive, okay? So I don't want to delete anything on this particular computer because it's just new. If you can see, okay, so this, I'm running it on the C drive, and you can see there's quite a lot of enough space here. I don't want to delete anything there. So basically, if you find this video interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. Send me some comments so that I know how I'm doing. Thanks a lot for watching.